Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, September the 29th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 1643, and I've already counted all the printed digits. This one has 26 as usual. If you don't believe it, you can check this. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number to use. I see here in this big square 4 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 3, the 7, the 8, and the 9. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 3 is also missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, but it's up here. So I will mark this for you so you can follow it easier. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The 1 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8 and this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. It's a pair. So let me mark them for you. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then we have an 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have the 4 and the 5 in this second row, so no 4 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. That means these 3 missing numbers are the 1, the 9, and the 8. We see here an 8 and a 1, so no 8 and a 1 in this box. The 8 and the 1 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. 8 and a 1. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. In the second row, we have one missing number, and that is a number 3 is missing. Then 6. Alright. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, how about the 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about this box? This missing number in the first column should be the number 9. 9 is missing. Then 2 numbers missing in this big square. The numbers 2 and 8. No, 8 we have 2 and 3. Let me mark them also, because I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 3. This big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. There's 707 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, so no 3 there. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. Missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 3. Yes. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this row. Those numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. Three missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left now in the last row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And 1 box left in this row. Last row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column. For the number 5 is missing. 1 number left in this column. For the number 6 we have, I think the number 9. Yes, number 9. Now we have a number 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. These 2 numbers in this row, 1, 2, 3 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. 3. And the 7 is missing. No. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, faster than the previous Sudoku. I'm very pleased. Very pleased. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the third Sudoku, a 3 Stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.